how to fix no sound during phone calls problem. So if you want to fix no sound during phone calls problem, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings on your device. Now after opening your settings, you need to just simply scroll down and then you'll find an option of apps. You need to tap on apps. Once you're on your apps, you need to go with manage apps. From manage apps, you need to go and search for the phone app, phone call or phone. Once you've searched, you need to tap on the application. Now here on the bottom, you'll have clear data. You need to tap on it and then go with clear cache. Tap on OK, and after clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go back to your settings. From the settings, you need to just simply scroll down and go with SIM cards and mobile network, and then go and select the SIM card that you are using. Go with preferred network type, and then go and select the highest network available. Once done, you need to go back and then restart your device. After restarting your device, your problem might be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.